Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited right now because I'm starting a new series today. So I know you guys love home decor videos. You guys are home decor freaks like me. I could spend years poking around home goods. I love decorating, I love redecorating, I love vamping up my space. So lately I've been feeling kind of just in a creative funk, and it's been feeling like I need to just spice up my apartment. But what kind of started all of this was the need for a new couch. This couch right here is a hot mess. I do really like my current decor, but it just feels like it's time for a change and an upgrade, and I think it will just help me feel better in my space. Being a YouTuber, I'm home all the time working, so your space has to feel good. So I bought this couch last year and when we moved, this ripped open. My grandma has come and sewn it twice, and she's like the master of sewing. This is starting to rip. Like the cushions are starting to get so like saggy, they dip in here and you like slide into the back. It's just, the whole thing is not good. I do like the setup. Don't mind my foot massager, that's so random. I really like this gold accented table with my little flowers underneath. I definitely want to keep that. I love this chair. This chair is super, super comfy. I think it's time for a new rug. I don't know. I loved this rug when I got it, but I think it's just time to switch it out. I love this little basket holder. That lamp is cute. Don't mind YouTube life. I got this pretty recently too, maybe just vamping up what's inside. So everything really coordinates with color. I really hate those pillows. I've had those forever. I kind of got those when they were like trendy, and they're really not anymore, and they're also just kind of uncomfortable. I recently got this pillow. I love this pillow. It is so comfortable. It was at Target, and I got this on sale at Pier 1 I think a year and a half ago. So overall it just needs to be revamped. Just been feeling very uninspired, and I hate the couch. Alan even doesn't like it, and he's not even picky. It's so uncomfortable. So started with the couch, and I'm just hoping we can find like a new rug, maybe just some new pieces to spice it up. But I also want to redo my office. My office is a mess. So being a YouTuber full-time is still relatively new to me. It's only been like a year and a half, and working from home is really different. It's been a really big adjustment. You know, not only like socially, but your workspace, like finding a good filming area and figuring out my style has been kind of tricky. Like I look back at old videos, and in my first apartment, I kind of liked the way that that filming setup looked better. I haven't really figured out a good filming setup in this apartment where we've been living for over a year now. So like I need to figure that out. This office is a mess, but this is a makeover series. Okay, don't be too alarmed. So this is the overview. It's a hot mess, and I think because I'm so just in a weird place with all this, like I always have stuff to film, so it's not always super organized. I want to find a better system to staying organized. So I added this little setup for a filming background, but as I started to use it, it just doesn't work. It's not like enough. I don't know what I was thinking when I got that. It's pretty, but it does not translate on camera. I've been like sometimes filming with this in the background. I do love this, which I got at Home Goods. I also got this really cute chair, which you can't really see. I need to organize. Like these are winter coats from last season I need to go through. Those are PR packages I need to go through. I hate this desk. I need another Alex 9 drawer to organize things. This mirror, a bunch of the light bulbs have fallen out. Like it's just a mess. This is stuff I haven't filmed yet. That's a bag for donation. Like it's just not working. I bought this backdrop thing on Amazon, but I really don't use it because I just haven't mastered it yet. And because I post, you know, 3-4 times a week, it's hard to keep up with work, but taking some time to vamp up the space to make the work better. So I think if I do this series, it'll really push me to get everything where I want it to be. And you know what, for a while I thought we were moving, so I didn't really think about vamping it up, and now like I think we're gonna be staying here for another year, so it's kind of like, okay, I need to figure this out because this is work and it's important. So you saw the befores, Can't wait to get to the afters. That's what the series is going to be. So for the rest of today's video, I am going to be going to the furniture store with my mom. We're going to Jordan's. I love Jordan's. So we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna try to find a couch, maybe a desk. I'd like to get another full-length mirror for my office because I have one in the living room, which I love, that I got online, but I'd love to get a full-length mirror for my office. I also should maybe paint in here. I hate this color and it always looks really bad in the background of makeup videos unless I can figure out how to use this properly, because I bought cloth backdrops and I think you're supposed to get paper. I don't know. I'm still learning everything. YouTube is a very different lifestyle that I'm still learning, but I think this series is going to be so much fun. So now we're gonna go shopping for furniture, which is the best. Let's go. LOL, I just got here and it starts pouring rain. So I see my mom coming. I just saw her car. Like, where did she go? There she is, Mama Fearless. It's been like clear skies, blue skies. Now it's pouring. It's been like this for on and off like a week. Like the weather, it will downpour, then stop, then downpour, then stop. She found me. She's waving. Okay guys, we made it to the magical Jordan's with Mama Fearless.
Hey. So I learned something interesting.
What'd you learn?
This thing, well, it's not exactly like this, but that thing where they make the slats.
Yeah.
And the poles, they call that a pergola.
A pergola?
I saw that on the Fixer Upper.
You learn something new every day.
You know what? That's kind of like what they have on the Greenway.
Oh yeah, true. I really like the material and the, ooh, it's nice and deep. Is it comfy?
Girl.
Oh.
Girl, can you imagine watching TV like this? Oh.
It's so cozy. My mom was looking at that chair with like a bunch of animals. It's pretty cute.
It was so funny though, yeah, because they kind of blend in.
Yeah.
I saw the fox right away, and of course I thought of my niece Greta.
Yeah, Greta loves foxes.
Closer, and there's like a bird.
It's so
and
cute.
A horse.
Ooh, I love this little side table. That's fun.
Oh, that's
like the shape.
That's a corner table.
And you know I love this gray wood. So Sunbrella, is that like the material that like doesn't get stained? Oh, I love this little table because I think I want to get a table for the couch too, because we don't have a table and there's nowhere to put your stuff. This is cute with the little baskets. So I love this table, guys. It has a little matching one, and I think I like the color of this. And this chair is so comfy. So this color scheme is definitely an option. Look how pretty that wall decor is.
All right,
I love that.
To say it, but I'm kind of living for this rug.
Oh, it's super cute.
No. I think it matches that. I'm gonna go get that cushion now.
Okay. I have a picture on my phone. You want it in person. My mom loves to like mix and match. If you watched the vlog where we went to Restoration Hardware, she literally was like moving stuff next to each other to like see how it would look. So gotta love mama. See, I kind of like this rug. I think this is a little bit more my style. I also love this table too. Oh my god, that's so cute. And that matches. Ooh. I also love this chandelier. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look how cute and little this little couch is. And the chair. I don't know if you can tell, but they're so teeny. You got it.
Now tell me that doesn't look beautiful together.
Actually, yeah, that's a pretty amazing combination. Okay guys, now we're looking at rugs. So, I don't know. We kind of figured out our color scheme, but I kind of want to like keep it a surprise for you guys. So, I'll give
surprise!
You like a hint. It's going to be like kind of, I like blues.
What are you going to tell them?
I don't know.
How much do you want to tell them?
Like, okay, I'll tell them the rug that I loved. It's over here. It's this one.
Actually, this one right here?
Do you think it would match?
We'd have to get the pillow and come back.
Yeah, because that's like really relevant.
Yeah, I'm telling you straight up.
The rug. Oh, there's kind of a few.
I like that together though. See, now looking at it through the camera, it looks more like blue and gray, but in person it's more of like a beigey and gray.
That's true.
Which I love that beigey gray.
That's true.
That's really pretty. I like that a lot.
Pretty. So should we grab the pillow?
What size is it?
I would like to think you can get it in different ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's different options.
Perfect. Yeah, we would need to.
5x7.
We'd need to grab the.
And they have a 7x10.
Oh, okay. You know what? Go home and measure your apartment and see what you think.
Is $500 cheaper, so I'd probably get that one.
It's crazy. Now this I like.
These pick up way cooler on camera, like you just said.
They way cooler.
Way cooler.
They're so much warmer.
Wow.
But then again, are these lights natural lights? Who knows? God, I just need to go back and get that pillow. We want it to be just kind of like light.
Like easy breezy. I feel like the ones on the other side look a little more
You know
chill.
what? I need to look at all of them. You don't know what's in here.
No, you're right.
The love of your life could be in here. You'd be missing it.
Okay guys, update. We got a Diet Coke, of course. And we are now looking at desks. Look how cute this is, guys. This little like heavyweight on top of the book.
It's paperweight.
Oh my god, they're so cute. This whole room is pretty cool.
Yeah. What I've always liked globes.
Oh, they're so cool. There's just something about a globe.
Well, I don't really know where everything is. I have a general
Yeah,
idea.
me too.
I think I know where. Oh wait, I didn't know Australia was there. It's right below China. Africa. And then you hop across the pond and you're in France. See, you can learn a lot from a globe.
Everyone needs a
You're
globe.
gonna forget it as soon as you read it.
So I like this a lot. I like this gray, but I'm also really into this. I think this is so pretty. I love like this grayish wood. It's one of my faves. So I think I'm really into this desk. But you won't know until the next video.
Okay, so explain to them what we did. So we like these chairs. She needs 2 new bar stools for the kitchen.
Had a bad experience with the last one. You're not recording me?
Oh, sorry, I'm pointing it at the chair. Let's get Peter. Peter, say hi.
Hi.
This is the wonderful Peter.
Peter has
Peter's been
been
putting in work.
lugging cushions
Going back
around
and
for
getting cushions. He's
us.
been great. So these are the bar stools that I chose. I will give you a sneak peek, so I'm not going to show you guys everything until next time. But, so, we have this wood chip, which Peter,
Which we've
the
been
lovely
carrying
Peter also
around with
brought for
us to
so
match
we've been
things
kind of
with.
doing matching, because there's going to be a lot of new colors. So we were just going through and we could pick
Well, it
all
was just
these-
kind of fun because, like, yeah, these are the
different
samples, so you
things.
get to pick your own little seat cushion, which I think is just
They're
fab.
so cute. And then
Okay,
they
go
have
ahead.
The little...
And then you can change the metal on the leg because this metal, this whole silver thing is yesterday's news. Nobody's doing silver anymore.
They have so many options. We were
So these were the other options. These
Going
were just
through.
like, if you wanted color, you could like, woohoo.
So we were going through and we were trying to figure out which one would match the color of the couch. So Peter went and got the couch cushion. Then we have the table. This is the color.
We
of-
highly recommend Peter at Jordan's Furniture in Natick.
Literally.
Highly recommend
Come
him.
see him. This is the wood chip for the coffee table.
And I get to be there to help her put the furniture out.
The day it gets delivered, you should come.
Girl, hello.
Okay, let's plan that.
Yes, queen.
All right, so that's a little sneak peek. I don't know when this
But
is
we
gonna
can't tell you
end.
anything else.
Yeah,
All
we're
I
gonna
need to say is we've been shopping so long, I got low blood sugar and I need to take a nap.
It's always a fun day.
And my bladder's full again.
Fun day with me. Whew. There we go, Jordans. It was nice hanging out with you.
3 hours, no, over 3 actually.
Was it?
We got here at 11, it's 2:13,
Wow.
so 3 hours and 10 minutes.
That was quite a trip. If you guys,
I need a nap.
I'm exhausted.
Girl.
If you guys want to see this series, it'll be coming soon. I mean, we special ordered a couch though, so it won't be here for like a couple months, but that's
But
when
it's gonna be amazing.
that's when the series will continue. So we're gonna go get some lunch because we're starving.
Yeah, totally.
that was a lot, but it was a lot of fun. And we ordered lots of good things.
Actually, it was fun. It's always fun doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Like it's work. We work.
I know. She was grabbing pillows, matching things up.
Oh my God, how many times did we walk back and forth to get those damn pillows back?
Whew, okay, guys, just got home. Quite a rainy afternoon. So let me sit down and give you guys a little update. Like, oh, look at the, look at the holes. So the conclusion for today, that was a lot of fun, first of all. I love furniture, shopping. The couch that I ended up choosing, which you guys will see, is going to be custom made just with a different fabric because the fabric that was on it, which they have like in stock, was navy and I wanted like a light gray. So custom making that takes 7 to 10 weeks, but everything else was in stock. But I did opt to have everything sent at the same time because I'm like so excited to do kind of like a big transformation for you guys, and I think it'll be really fun. That's gonna do it for this first episode of the series. I have a whole different design concept for this room, for the living room. I am gonna do it completely different from what I've done before, and I think it's gonna look so good now that I'm like in here and I have it all pictured in my head. There's so much more. We even ended up getting a table for that little dining room area because we've never had one, and I would love to just have somewhere to sit and eat rather than just up at the little like bar stool area. So a lot is gonna happen. This series is gonna be so much fun and so exciting. I hope you are excited. Right now it is July 25th, I think. So it's probably not gonna get here until like the end of September. So if you're excited about this series and you're excited to see the rest of it unfold, give it a big thumbs up, and you guys will see the rest coming very, very soon. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.